Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and today we have another exciting one. We have the Milanese Loop Titanium. This just came out for the Apple Watch Ultra, right? So if you remember 10 years ago, probably this one, right? Obviously they selling, I got this as a gift. It's similar, but it's just obviously third party. These are Apple accessories here. This one is actually by an artist called Duda Penteado, custom made art. Put some description down below, but let's get into the main event, why you guys are here. So let's open this up. They're saying carbon neutral 2030. Just open it here, like that. And just like the other Apple Watches, it just shows you how to use it. Nothing much in here besides the titanium. By the way, I have this is the original one as well from the Apple Watch Ultra. Very lightweight, that's why I like it. Gonna remove this very slowly.
Daddy, do you remember I took over your phone?
Yes, you took over my video of the phone. I hope you don't do that again.
I will do that again.
Wow, this is ultra light, guys. Oh my God, this titanium, look, even says titanium grade 5. I don't know if you can see that. So let me remove this. Put this on real quick. See how it feels. So there's a buckle here. So you gotta press these two together in order for you to remove this. And then you put this part, let's see how I'm doing this. Yeah, it's this way. This here. Oh, sorry, wrong way. Here we go. Nice. Nice click. And then this, you adjust this part by putting this up where you want it, the desired place. And I would say this is pretty good. You could just still move it. Let's see. And then you click it here. Wow, super lightweight. It's crazy. It's almost like as light as this, it feels like. Check it out. What do you think? I love it. Looks amazing. My style. And if you have any questions, comments, put it down below. Thank you for watching.